Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is day 11 of vlogmas, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So as well as day 11, this is also a YouTube collab. Is for hashtag womenwhocollab. And each week we're going to be doing a Christmas themed video, and we're doing it every Thursday, so you know. And this week's theme was Nightmare Christmas. So I did this Krampus inspired look. So I tried to do dark colors. So I did dark black, a green, dark green, a dark red wing, and I did his little horns at the top. I think this turned out really cool looking. Now, this is not my color story. Normally, I don't really do blacks and stuff, but this is like, you know, for the Nightmare month or Nightmare Christmas. And I did a black lip. This is how it turned out. Now, I'm not really good at black, so you know, but I think this one's really cool looking, and I really loved how it turned out. Now, I saw a lovely lady do the horns up here. It's the Snarlbox lady. I put her up here. That's where I kind of got inspiration by doing the horns, because I don't have no horns to put on this hat that I have on wearing. So I decided to just put them right there above my eyebrows. So I will link her down below. She's a Snarlbox lady who made that makeup line, and she's a really talented lady, so you really should go check her out. I will make sure to link everybody that's in this collab down below. They're add to their channel and their link to their video, so you can go check them out, show them some love, and tell them I sent you if you knew them. If I haven't got everybody's link, just click that hashtag in my title, hashtag womenwhocollab, and you can see their videos that way. So now let's talk about what makeup I used. So the makeup I used, I'll talk about the palettes first. Okay, so the palettes I use is the Lunar Beauty 12 Days of Lunar palette. I got this in an advent calendar. I love this palette so much, I wanted to use it. Here is the color story. So I use out of this one the black shade, the dark green shimmer, and the gold shimmer for the inner corner, which is right here. So I did those colors. So I did the black and the crease, blended out some, and used a clean brush to blend the edges of that, because I didn't really have like a gray or anything. I put the green on my lid as my shimmer shade, and I really like how that turned out. It's really pretty. And then for my inner corner and my brow bone, I did the gold shimmer. And I also put that black under my eye. So that's all I use from this palette. What I've been doing when I link this is I get it from a reseller, because they don't have it on their website no more, because it was from an advent calendar, so you know. The other palette I picked out is the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. Really love this palette for the dark shades, and I really gravitate to this palette when I'm doing like Halloween makeup looks. Here is the color story. So the only one I use is the dark red shade in this palette for the wing. So that's all I use from this palette to create the wing. I liked how dark that looked, and it was just gives me like, you know, nightmare vibes a little bit. Like, it's not that bright red like Christmas is. So that's what I did. I did the wing, and I tried to clean up my edges as best I could with to get the black off from under the wing, but it's still a little bit there, but I don't really mind it. It's like smoked out. So then I went in with the LA Colors Black Mascara for my mascara today. Here's what it looks like on my lashes. I did like a little bit of light on there to make it like a little bit clumpy looking, because I wanted to be dark as possible. Then for the little horns, I did the Wet n Wild face paint in black to do the horns at the top. I really love their face paints. They're really good. All you have to do is dip the brush in there and start working, and that's all you do. No water or anything. And then for my lips, I use the QI Best Soft Matte Lip Cream. Here's the box. Here's what it looks like in the tube. I really recommend this with black, because it's black. Like, right when you put it on, it's that dark black. That's just one layer, like no double layer, which I really recommend. So if you're looking for a good black shade, I really recommend this one. I did get this from Temu, but I will try to link it somewhere else just in case you don't want to shop through Temu. But I think that's where I got it from, is Temu, and it's really good. So I really recommend. I think it was Temu or Shein. I cannot remember, but I really like this. It's long lasting. It's a lipstick cream. It goes on silky but looks soft matte. And it's not that like extreme drying matte film, which is very nice. And I don't know how it wears, because usually after these videos I do take lipstick off, because I don't like eating or drinking with lipstick on, even if it dries down. That's just me and my preference. I don't really like that, so I try to wipe off everything off my lips after I do this video, so y'all know. Then last thing I used, which I only have a couple sprays of this left, is the MO Beauty Set It Up Setting Spray. Looks like this. I really love this setting spray. It's really good. It sets my face all day, and I really like the MO Beauty setting spray. Also, I will make sure to link everything I talked about down below. They're just links to get there, no affiliates or anything. If I do have a affiliate link, it'll be down in the link tree down below, so you know. So please do use those affiliate links if you want to help support the channel, but I will link the product itself. And if I do have codes, I will share that as well. So now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. So the first thing I picked out is this hat. Now I know you can't see the red very well, but I was putting my head down so you can see it. I just thought a Christmas hat would be perfect for this look, and I don't have like the little rope thing to tie that, so I just applied this hat to kind of be more Christmassy. And then my outfit for today is a really cute one. Me and my boyfriend got matching PJs, but I decided to wear it as my outfit today because it's Nightmare Before Christmas theme, and I think that's perfect for this look. So here's my shirt. It's just Sally, and I do have the pants on as well. That is Nightmare Before Christmas. I really love these PJs. They're so soft, warm, cozy. I really like them. So that's what I'm wearing. I decided to just wear that as my outfit because it goes perfectly for this theme. And hope y'all do enjoy it. The PJs come from, I think, Walmart or Target. I cannot remember, but I will link it down below if it comes from Walmart, and then give you an affiliate link if you do want to use that at checkout. So that's all I'm wearing today, and that will be it for today's video. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below. Let's say if you like Nightmare Christmas, like Nightmare Before Christmas, Krampus, do you like those types of movies? Like Halloween mixed with Christmas, let me know. And to be shouted next video upload on my channel. If you want to see a shout in the previous video up on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them some love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers, so please do check them out. They'll really appreciate that. I started doing this on my channel to say thank you to all the unicorns who do watch my videos in full. It really does help out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Also, I started doing this on my channel to say thank you to all the unicorns who show my videos some full in love. Full video watching full, I meant. And it's one for unicorns who knows who I'm the family. So again, if you do want to be shouted out, answer that question. And or if you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched in full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also upload on my channel. So also I forgot to mention during the video I'll also link I forgot to mention that I'll also link the playlist for Vlogmas just in case you want to watch anything from this collab that I'm doing. Not collab. Anything from this series I'm doing, which is Vlogmas, which every day in December I'm going to be doing a Christmas themed video for y'all. So if y'all do enjoy it, so please check out that playlist. Also, I'll link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to pass these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist. I really do recommend it. And I will link those playlists down below for y'all. So hope y'all do go watch them and show them some love and support. It really means the world to me if you do. Also, this is an open collab. Anyone could join in. All you have to do is not tag me, DM me over there on Instagram, and I will add you to the group. We do have an Instagram group, so you have to have Instagram to get there. And then once I add you to the group, I'll give you all the information for this collab. But a little bit of information about this: we do post every Thursday, and we usually do women to pick our makeup, but sometimes we switch it up and do themes. So this month we're doing themes for Christmas time. So if y'all do enjoy it, and make sure you stay tuned for next week to see what we do next time on this collab. So that's all the information for today, and I hope y'all did enjoy it, and that's it for today's video. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of today's nightmare inspired Christmas look for today's theme. Let me know what you think down below. Also, let me know if you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. I'll let you know that as well. So please share in the comments. I always like to comment back when I can, and I really love reading y'all's comments. So please do share in the comments. And also, I forgot to mention during this video that if you do get inspired by any of my looks, please do tag me in your post. I like to go check out and show us some love and shout you out to say thank you that you got inspired by me. Because I always like to share who I get inspired by and tag them. So I like to see y'all get inspired by me. So please do tag me in your post. It could be anything from this year's looks or next year's. Last year's or previous year's. So please do tag me in your post if you do get inspired by any of my looks. I like to go check it out. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.